Hey guys, Marcos, Capsalis, Rapid Assault Tools. I'm gonna dive into our Generation 4 Electro-Hydraulic Breaching Kit. FirstSpear pack with laser cut moly on the outside, 10,000 PSI hydraulic pump, custom noise reduction foam, so it operates virtually silent. It runs off a 60 volt DeWalt battery. It's spec'd out perfectly for the back of your guys' plate carriers. Ride nice, high and tight. It's 19 pounds. We have moly tool holder clips for all the additional tools to be stowed and carried. The hydraulic hose comes out of either end and it's 4 feet. It connects to our tool head here, which is our 11-inch door pusher. Full 180 swivel, so it keeps you guys out of the fatal funnel and protects you guys behind cover. Our 11-inch door pusher is the perfect tool for inward or outward opening breaches. As you can see, I'm advancing the tool. You notice you have your main driving cylinder here, and behind it, you have the nitrogen gas cylinder, which allows for the retraction speed to be about twice as fast. Quicker reset times for follow-on breaches, you're ready to go and hit the next target. You have a carry handle that stows in your cummerbund and allows you to still operate your weapon system. That is our Generation 4 Electro-Hydraulic Breaching Kit and our 11-inch door pusher.